gentlemen, just a quick video how to collect your foxglove seeds. Digitalis is the Latin, this is called. If you listen to that, you can hear them falling. They are so fine. Just pop a few out. See them there? Absolutely minuscule. And I wait till they dry like so. And what I tend to do is make myself a little bit of newspaper, fold it over, bit of tape on it, and put something you collect it with. All you need to do is cut it a section off like so, and then, so you don't want to store any, in your paper, you get under it, and the rest of it, this top bit, there's no seeds in that, so that doesn't matter. This one here, I think this one's a pinkish blue one. So that's empty. My paper bag. Flip it off again, and that's how you do it. So that you can hear them rattling. So yeah, that's it. With your foxgloves, you want to wait until they're nice and dry, like so. Like each time it's set at the top, but all the way from the bottom there, so all the way 2/3 up, they've set. And this one's definitely set here. And you should really label them if you want to try and get the same colours. They never grow true from seed anyway, so yeah, these are my foxgloves. How to collect folks. Just been out and collected these. Just going to show you everything here. Just going to pour these out now with this white sheet I've got, so you can show you what they look like, how tiny they are. So, in a good shape. These sheets are perfect for this. I've got these what were left out over from the social distancing stickers. The one you see on the floor. Well, this is what they're actually stuck to. They're taking it off there, sticking on the floor. You can see all the little green fly running away. Yeah, this is just 1.5 plants this, so you can see how many you get. You can sieve all this out if you want to, but I haven't got time for it, me. And they are really fine, so that should be alright. Once that's done like that, just give them a good shake. I'll put the date on here, which is August the 2nd. Is it 2020 this year? Yeah. Isn't it? Not 2021, it's 2020. So I'm just going to put August the 2nd, and this is 2020. Right, now the date's on there. I know exactly how long they'll last for. It should be good for a couple of years, as long as they're stored correctly. I store them in a container. Just get this like this now, and then straight into here, like so. And there you have them. All I do with this is fold it, stick it in the shed. I've got a plastic container that's airtight. There's a good temperature there. They should last for a couple of years. So that's how to collect and store your foxglove seeds, digitalis. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Bye.